ऐसे ही हमें चाहते हैं। साथ में खड़े रखे चक्कू भी होंगे भाई।
हमारे पास ही आएगा वो, हमारे पास ही आएगा।
चक्कू भी है, सबको लाइन में खड़ा करके।
No, we are taking video. Thank you.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Picture.
चिप्पर। पिक्चर लेना नहीं बोलते, देना बोलते।
देना ही बोल रहा हूँ।
देना नहीं बोलते, लेना बोलते। पिक्चर लेना है।
अरे वो ले रहा है तो तू देखा ना।
All right, guys. Today is the end of the primary season for us. It's a sad day because we will be, now getting on with our businesses. But I personally feel very proud and I'm honored to lead this team. The way each and every member in various situations have backed each other member, the team, me as a captain, backed my decisions, it was amazing. Every match after match, we kept coming back. I don't see this discipline in many other teams. Teams which are doing far better than us, they don't have players who are committed. But I truly appreciate everyone's commitment to the team and everybody's belief in the team. Thank you guys. So, we wish to play like this, tournament after tournament, year after year. The same, the ethos will be same. People who give us the time, we will give them the chances. People who show up in the winter practice are the ones who are going to play the actual matches. And we will continue to do the same thing, like not having too many players in the roster, but be consistent in the playing group. That way, each and every player, when we were doing the jersey launch, I promised something that we will play, we will also make sure that each player develops by a notch. And today, after the end of the season, we have so many great stories. We have stories like Gopi, great, excellent opener. Nitin played some great knocks. Jay, 250s. Umer is an established player, I don't have to say. But still, he was. Priyank, excellent all-rounder with great wickets. I think he's one of the highest wicket takers in the tournament, as well as he scored runs. Bari, the way you have raised, too good. Every player in the team, that's what we thought we will develop, as well as we'll try to win in the process. And we have close to 50% strike rate. Great job, guys. Feel good, be proud of that. So, today, the first trophy, undoubtedly, obviously goes to the person who was scoring runs at a great strike rate, and that is Umer. He's our man of the match because till he was there on the pitch, we had the chance, and they just acknowledged that you guys would have chased it. So they getting that thought is
and it's self-aware.
Our second trophy today is for a person who has shown complete, commitment match after match. He has not taken too many wickets, but he has always given his 200% match after match, even till the last ball. And today he took 3 wickets, 1 run out. I wish he would have got a 5-er. But this trophy is for the kind of commitment you have shown throughout the season.
Siraj of Agnevis.
Yes. Match after match kept coming. He would do anything. Sir, मैं डालूंगा sir. So, good job guys. And we have 3 medals. One is for Mohit. Yes. For agreeing to come all the way.
From India.
Driving some 70-80 miles for our game. This is good. We have 1 medal for Ayman.
Added comedic value, sir.
Being a trump card. Being a trump card. And took a
He
wicket.
is truly our trump card. The real trump card. So, this is for you. Take off the cap. नहीं आएगा नहीं. So this is for his wicket and the boundary. And coming as 11th player and joining us. And this one is for Prerit. Coming here today and standing for all 30 overs and trying to do whatever he can do. And I can promise, and he will also agree with me, next season he will be a better player.
100%.
And he just has no experience, guys. He has no experience whatsoever. He's here, but he tried to do something, and we appreciate that. We want you to get into the game with full on. Let's try our best. We are proud of it.
100%.
And open for everybody's words, starting from that side. Bola, bola. Today is the last day of the season.
It's a great team where from the starting itself, from the practice section till the end, like everyone is shown like a very positive way to come to the practice and to play with each other and backing up when someone drop catches when they are not playing well, we back their players. I think that's what we have to
Internally we feel sad, but we back.
Somehow we managed.
Somehow we managed.
We have no other option because if the player gets upset, he will leave.
That's
But
all
yeah.
team will build in strength.
Yes.
I have not been here for long. I just played like 4 matches. I thought I will play better. But I feel like when I came into the team, I just feel most welcome. And I thought we won like 2 matches when I was here. That was a good thing. I think this is a good team. Like we will do much better in the next one. As this is our first season, like this is a very good record for a first day.
And we see a lot of potential in you. It would have come had you started with us in the winter. By now you would have started to explore, but no problem.
I should have. This is not even.
It's a start for something awesome. Very
Yes.
good.
For me, like we started together, me and Santosh bhai. Like we had some visions, so like we tried to stick to on that one, like for a long time. And I think everyone grew, like maturity. Whatever we were lacking in the maturity, I guess by the end of this game, everyone have that maturity. Like I have seen like Bari growing. Like I don't know whether you had experience or not, but like after 5th or 6th game, he's coming like on the field, like giving 100%. That is amazing. That was like really out of the box. Like we see him. Jay, like I was not expecting him to batting like this way, to be honest, but he did pretty good job in that. But I want him to do it much better in bowling also, not just batting. I'm not satisfied with that. Then Gopi, good one. Like in the opening, he comes like he play a couple of really good shots. Nitin, a good couple of knocks like in the middle, and Umer bhai, again a good all-rounder. So, and Santosh bhai, yeah, he on like in terms of opening wise, like I remember like first couple of games, amazing like the way and I guess the same kind of game we saw today. So that was like amazing. So in a way we did really good. The only thing for the next season, if we are planning, focus on the fielding. If we are going to repeat the same thing, then we cannot go to the next level. Fielding is really important. Yeah, that's it.
So for me, this is the first time playing with this team, and actually, I
Everyone,
believe
with 9 team.
Cut. Maybe thoda. Maybe हमारे cut.
So I believe this team. I really enjoyed playing with this team. I have never played with such good players, and also cheering each other for while batting, bowling, or even fielding. And the most enjoyed match, I believe, was in this match where Bari has he's proposing to Madhus.
This ground.
That was crazy. Yeah, same ground. That was crazy. I mean,
I see that sometimes. The whole chase, I see it.
I've never seen this fun environment in any other team. I play for multiple teams, but this team is the best in terms of cheering teammates and all. So hopefully I'll be playing in the upcoming season as well.
There's one thing I want to add for him. I think this ground is his favorite ground. You know, the last game, we won the game like in the very crucial moment, and for this game also, like he was like really good.
Today we were in the game till he was there.
Yeah.
And they were under pressure.
So as Priyank said, I wasn't like believing in myself that I could bat and all. During the net sessions also, I kind of felt like I wasn't doing well, and he gave me chance in the first practice match where I played. I scored like 20-25 runs, and then after he gave me chances, and now I can probably send the match.
You had some amazing innings. You and Nitin. Those were the games where you saved us and you created a chance.
That day he scored 50 and he lost 500 calories.
Extra.
500 is less actually. You would have lost more than that.
In that inning,
2000 calorie altogether.
That was a game that we have seen the true character of how we should play.
One more thing, the team environment and the freedom that I get here is
आपको ऐसा लगता है? No. We only go by the merit of the opinion. That's it. We don't go by who's giving it, whether it is anyone. If there is a point, we should take it. That's what I personally believe.
Yeah, as Umair said, I play to different teams also, but I never seen this kind of environment. Whenever I play with Acrevis, we have a lot of fun. I mean, it's like you have to think about this match all over the week and wait for the next match. So that's how this. I mean, I especially enjoyed a lot. This is my best season because I've been playing three years. This is my third season. But yeah, Santosh Bhai recognized me and he promoted me as the opener. And because of him, I am getting chances in other team too. They are promoting me on the top because I used to get like 6th or 7th batsman. Right now they are giving as a 2nd or 3rd. But even I am proving over there. But I have more potential to prove here as the opener. Maybe next year I'll come up with the good batting skills and I'll prove as a good opener as Santosh Bhai.
Huge potential.
It's a great team environment we have. I really enjoy playing with this. I'm very thankful to Santosh Bhai and the whole team. Thanks.
We love your success.
भाई मैं भी इतना वो कर रहा मैं मोटिवेट कर रहा मैं घर में रोज
मेरे बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं
काउंसलिंग कितनी कर रहा
है घर पे बात कर ये सब कुछ नहीं बताते
so I never thought that cricket losing a match or winning a match will affect me so much ऑफिस में सर के साथ डिस्कशन होता था I always look forward to meeting to sir and talking about cricket and all thanks to his captaincy and his guidance. आज भी मैं जो wicket मिली slower one sir की guidance थी. I constantly take his guidance and the environment we have. We have become a family and hopefully this continues for the next seasons. And all thanks to Santosh sir. Gopi भी है, Priyank भाई अच्छा guide करे and hopefully this continues. And actually sir should deserve a very big trophy from all of us because how he has carried everything. मतलब अपन बहुत सताए सर बहुत लेट डाउन करे अपन
नॉट लेट डाउन तो नहीं सताए लेकिन लेट डाउन तो
you deserve a bigger trophy sir from all of us thanks for having me in the team and hopefully we'll
the only thing is if we have done this team we have won this season everybody should improve their game should go a notch higher nobody should feel like joining this team was detrimental to my game there are teams where you join you will start losing your game. वो नहीं आना चाहिए बस. If that is not there, I will feel confident कि we have done something good.
All I want to say is really thank you for allowing me to have an amazing day. बहुत शुक्रिया. Everybody, you were very kind and very welcoming. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing majority of the time. So I really appreciate you guys allowing me to have an amazing Saturday. Thank you.
Thanks for coming here.
Thank you for giving me the
I think we spoiled your weekend from watching your movie.
He has lot of memories in this match.
भाई नहीं मिलता ऐसा Saturday बार. Thank you everybody and thank you sir for allowing me.
Bring you for every Saturday.
Thank you again.
Yeah, from my side, I like the energy between the team. I can talk what I need to talk about. I can say what I need to say. I try my best so that it can help that other person. Whatever I see, I share. I have been giving my peace of mind to all of the players here. And I try to keep it light as much as possible. At times too light, but it's always, I'm trying to have fun over here. And I really enjoyed how OP has opened up, playing really good game. I've told him the problems I see, but hopefully he makes it well in the nets next time. I like bullheadedness of Abdullah for sure. The way he approaches it, and he's very consistent, so that's kudos to him. He's done really good with that. Mohit for always being available. I always appreciate a team is always good with the 12th player. If the 12th player is as motivated as the 11 inside, your team is really good. We don't have to think about anything else. And yeah, as I know, Teja has been there for 4 matches, but he's been trying to do his best, taking his hand as well in the process. Priyank with injuries and also still being the highest wicket taker of the tournament and trying to do his best with the batting as well. Umair, I've been a good fielder with him on the outside fielding, right? But I enjoy the company of him as well. It's been always fun on the boundary line. Jay, I don't know what to say about him. Something I have to say. So he's improved his batting, but he can do really well if he tries to not overthink. Right? I think he tries to do too much in his head. If he starts believing in himself, he'll do good, even
He's
better.
a very good middle order batsman.
Yeah.
He has a great potential, and I think most technically sound in the team. It's straight back.
Again, Gopi, great keeper. We have got a really good keeper in the team. I think he's the best keeper I have seen in some time around. Like he's been doing really good in keeping, so I would want him to continue with what he's doing. Amen for his first wicket on a very bad ball, and a boundary as well. So that was really good. I enjoyed my season this year. This was my best season in batting, even fielding as well. I've been. It was a good season. So yeah, I've enjoyed this season. It's been my best season. So that means that team was supporting me wherever I was trying to.
Well, you supported the team when the team needed, and some of those knocks. I think pretty much every win that we had, I think 4 wins, his contribution is solid.
Yes.
You know, against Tornadoes and the match that you both played, and there was one more match which was where we had a bad start, and this guy came, played only 3 or 4 balls, bagged 25-30 runs. That changed the whole momentum.
Yeah.
Which I think that was the 5th game that we were playing after the
Suburban Star.
Suburban Stars. So I think you've been great, and not only from the game point, but with your one-liners. We love that.
Yeah.
Double meaning and no meaning.
Very funny, Nitin.
We don't want to have an environment which is too serious, where people are hesitant to talk to each other. I have seen those environments. You know, I have seen my previous teams. If you go and crack a joke, people will see.
Not serious, not serious.
उनके दोस्त लोग अगर करें तो हाँ, that's good. But I have seen all those environments which are very hostile, and we're happy that you enjoyed it. And we want you to be like that. Be you. We're very happy.
And only one more thing about Santosh, like his batting, we see his batting always, and he's been really good since start. 1 or 2 blips, but other than that, he's been really good as an opener for our team. Captaincy wise, he's been doing good decisions as well. He also allows us to also take some decisions too, and he listens to us. So that's been really good. So
Means a lot.
yeah, and Kavan, right? Kavan has been a good bowler
Sorry,
for
yeah,
us.
the guys
We are
who
missing out.
Kavan, Akram, Madhu.
Kavan, I want to
Everyone
say
has
that,
come.
you know, he was, when his parents were here, he said, Santosh bhai, I don't want to come, but if you want me to come, I'll come for the game. And there were a couple of games that we said, you know what, we need. And he came for the playing field match.
Yeah.
And yesterday also he said, I'm having fever. If you still want me to come, I'll come. But I'm down a little. I said, you know what, trust me. No problem. It's not a very, very important game. Do or die. So we'll take match. But Kavan, we love you, man. We love your attitude.
Thank you, Kavan.
You always keep the team
And also
first.
his
We
bowling,
love you.
he got so many wickets. He's
And,
a third best catcher of our team.
Yes. And Madhu,
We don't have words for you.
the trump card, the original trump card.
The original trump card.
The direct green card.
Madhu, we love you,
The
man.
medium pacer.
The match that you won us here in this ground was the best thing that we have seen.
Tornadoes alibi.
Yeah, Tornadoes dance.
You have a game partner already.
So, Ikram,
Classic Madhu.
you know, we love you, boy.
Akram.
Good team, man, and great guys. Very happy with the whole setup. Thank you, everyone. And anything that we are missing out, guys?
Ashrath bhai.
Yeah, Farid, your words.
It was a pretty good season and did pretty good. So
Your experience today?
yeah, it was pretty good. Everyone did really good. So that was good.
देखो मजा है क्या बोल
Yeah.
बस
What was the most enjoying point that you enjoyed?
Batting देखने का comedy था.
ये बात है रे
That you loved the way we were hitting sixes?
Yeah, अच्छा था.
When you were hitting sixes, he was like loving it. Because he has only seen the one side hitting till that point.
When you are
But we
batting,
got
he is
the-
whistling Anna. He is trying to whistle. And thanks for trusting us.
सही है bro.
Yes sir.
It's a wrap. We are playing the T20. Anybody who wants to play, Priyank, leave it to you.
Yeah, no, actually I have to stay with my wife for a health wise for open research. So
okay. Yeah, it's done almost.
See, this is our primary thing.
Yeah.
वो time pass का है.
Yeah.
We'll be
Obviously.
having fun.
फिर भी इसमें ज़्यादा
Yeah.
include होता है उसमें.
जब भी तेरे को आना है बता दे.
Yeah, definitely. Again, if I'm available, I will definitely put my name. Okay.
Like service.
Yeah. Let's take a picture.
सेल्फी ले लेते हैं. I think सब आ जाएगा.
आप लोग के लिए मैं पिक्चर
इसमें आ जाएगा वैसे but तुम
अच्छा आ जाएगा. Okay.
आ जाओ. आओ भाई. मेडल.
आओ ट्रॉफी आगे रख दो.
आ जाओ.
मतलब तू भी हाथ में रख. आगे रख ऐसा.
अब खुलेगा जैकेट.
ठंडा लग रहा है यार.
किसी का उठ गया तो अंदर का. Hey.
1, 2, 3. Go peeping, go selfie. Got it?
Thank you guys.
You don't want that puppet.
छोटे जैकेट पहन ले बेटा.
Yeah.